It is typical for any organization to invite visitors, be they clients, customers, or partners, for meetings in their space. EMS not only allows you to accurately reserve the rooms and related resources needed for these meetings, but also allows you to manage the visitors themselves. You can add a visitor to the system, input and track their check-in status, report against their activity, and print them a badge. Let's take a look.
Visitor management can be a feature that gets often overlooked within EMS. Within EMS, a visitor can be added, checked in, reported against, and even get a badge printed. Let's take a look at how the end user or everyday user adds a visitor. Once a room is selected within the virtual EMS web application, the details can include the normal meeting details, employee details, as well as event, catering, and AV services. With your process template enabled for visitor management, you can also prompt your everyday user to add an existing or new attendee. Simply by allowing them to add a user or attendee visitor to the system, we can add that information directly into the reservation to report against for your security teams, report against in daily reporting, as well as provide badge information. We do that within the EMS desktop client. When a user has added an attendee or visitor to the system, they appear within the reservation visitor dashboard. This dashboard is currently set to show today's date and will show all visitors scheduled to meet within your building of choice, as well as filtered by employee. In this case, Thomas Wilson has invited a number of employees for his meeting today. In order to check in or to quantify that person, your security teams or your receptionist, front desk people, etc., can validate that those guests have arrived by checking them in. When you've checked that person in, we add a check-in time and date to that individual, as well as allowing them to print a badge for that user. If you include a camera within your application or on the computer running EMS, you also have the ability to capture a photo of that person as they're being checked in. Without a photo, we simply provide badge information of that user or that attendee, as well as their company name and the date of their attendance. When one or more individuals are ready to check out for the day, you can simply select them and check them out. Checking them out simply changes the button after they have been successfully checked in. All of this is reportable on a daily printout within the system showing check-in, check-out, and management lists, allowing you to give your security teams a daily printout of visitors scheduled to attend within your location without actually providing EMS access directly.
What we have seen is the ability for EMS to manage visitors, as well as an organization's rooms and resources. You can grant access to EMS to your security and front desk teams so they can monitor and track visitor activity. Overall, this allows your organization to save time and money by using one single system for both meeting and visitor needs.